What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some scent mail from Poetic Aromas. This is a niche indie house, so stay tuned. All right, since you guys have stayed, let's get into this video. So we have an unboxing, like I said, for Poetic Aromas. This is a niche indie brand that I discovered on Instagram, and they were kind enough to send a bottle. So I'm going to do a live first impression and unboxing, but first off, let's look at this box. It looks like it might be like a 1 ounce bottle. Here is the box. The feathers are raised and feels pretty nice. And what's actually cool about this place, they also send a pin. So you get a little pin right here. It's not gonna, it's gonna be focusing on my face. So anyways, it's a pin. It says Poetic Aromas. There we go. These cameras they look nice, but sometimes they get a little annoying. But yeah, I don't know how to get the square thing off. Anywho, so let's get into it. There's something on the back. It says, her thoughts become poems by moonlight. The company of fire guides her sight. To leave these words on paper might be a sin. This poetry must end up on skin. So, kind of unique with the pen. Now I understand, obviously, Poetic Aromas, but that is a minute, almost 2 minutes of blabbing. So let's get into the unboxing, what you guys really care about. Here is the bottle. Here's the bottle right here. Really nice looking bottle, and look at that shine. Holy moly. So yeah, it's like a cool pink looking shimmer to the juice. This is called Kiss the Moon. So I have no idea. I haven't even looked at notes. I mean, to be honest. It is a really like cheap plastic cap, but yeah, anyways, let's set that aside. It is a decent distribution. It's kind of wide, and that juice is really cool. I mean, look at that. If you kind of shake it, I'm trying to make it not focus. There we go. If you shake it up, it'll... Okay, so it leans a little feminine. You get, it kind of smells like a mix of like fruits, citruses, and a little powdery. It has like a unique, it's kind of unique. It's like a powdery smell to it, but not like a powdery smell that I've smelled before. I don't know. I wanted to get the cap on there. It kind of looked a little goofy, but so it's kind of powdery, a little creamy, some fruits. I don't know. I'll put the notes on the screen. Again, I really don't know the notes. It's a little soft, and I feel like this would be a good signature scent. Will I wear it? Probably not. But I do have 2 daughters and a wife, and they will probably like this. I know my daughters will for sure. This is a Parfum extrait, so you can see the shine. It's pretty thick oils. And by the way, this is a 30 ml. So yeah, I believe that's a 1 ounce bottle. Cool looking bottle, unique, cool looking juice. And I figured with the pink theme, you know, with the pink juice, it'd be a little feminine possibly, but it's really cool if you shake it. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's fruity, sweet, powdery, a little fluffy, kind of like a cotton candy smell. No, it doesn't really smell like Baccarat Rouge. I'm not, they're an independent niche brand. Smells fantastic. It smells really good. It's smelling better as the longer it sits. I do smell, there's a little spiciness and maybe saffron or something. I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I put the notes on screen, but anyways, it opens up very sweet, powdery. It's starting to dry down. It's been what, a couple minutes on skin. It's starting to get a little spicy, and it's keeping the sweetness. So honestly, all year round, signature scent type of stuff. I'll drop a link down below. I want to thank Poetic Aromas for sending this. This is decent, ladies, if you're looking for a signature scent that's not too sweet, not too spicy. It's not floral, so it's more of like a sweet cotton candy kind of citrusy. It's good stuff. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.